Hello there, it's John again with another short product video. This time I picked out a rather special Omega Seamaster De Ville with the gloss black dial on the original flat beads of rice bracelet. This is a model 166020. We've had a few of these models in over the years, but not with this amount of paperwork and service history. Ridiculously, you've still got the original guarantee wallet with the references and the caliber. You've got the model number, you've got the internal serial number. It really comes with a whole spectrum of information. You got the 21st of the 10th 1965, so we've got a potential birth year watch for anyone out there. Fantastic condition. It's got the all chrome baton markers, chrome hands. Let's see if I can get the dial. Might be a bit difficult with the black, but so I've taken a close look at this dial. I've deliberated over it. I'm saying the dial's restored. It's an old restore, definitely done some time ago. I'd say probably in the 90s. Really good quality. It's either a restore or it's a factory replacement, but sold as restored just to save any complication or any future issue. I'm saying this dial's restored, so that answers questions there. But look at the condition, original crown, original bracelet. I think with this paperwork and the box, it makes up for maybe some dial restoration that's happened to it over its lifetime. Yeah, it's 1965. A lot of these black dials, as I've discussed before, they didn't survive. Something to do with the makeup of the paint on black dials. Didn't seem to stand the test of time, let's say. Excuse the pun. So fully automatic Omega Seamaster De Ville. Love this watch. Love it on a bracelet. It doesn't have to be on the bracelet. We can swap it out for a whole range of straps. Unpolished. We haven't done a refurb on the case and bracelet on this. People were preferring them left alone, which suits me because it's less work. It's a caliber 5.62, 1965, 34.5mm, 12mm thick. And you'll see that's on my fairly large 7.5-inch wrist. 40mm lug to lug. People like the straight lugs. It's a monocoque case, so that means it's a front-loading watch. And you've got the hippocampus on the case back. Really nice, proud hippocampus waterproof. Obviously, we ignore waterproof today. But original box and papers, stainless steel. Fantastic, fantastic example. Sold as dial restored. But who cares when it looks like that? Great watch. Get involved, drop us a message, arrange a viewing, WhatsApp us for all information. I don't think that's going to be around very long.